Ngayong adlaw sa tanan ay Muhammad Khalid Quebranza de Maporo, Governor ng Lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte, the land of beauty and bounty. Ideally, all rice production, all post-harvest facilities should be within our provincial boundaries. This is one of our solutions. We had some friends that dropped by last week. Nagbibisita sila sa probinsya namin. And one of them is the NFA administrator, yung in charge ng buong National Food Authority. Ito yung mga warehouses na binibili ng palay at a very accommodating price para ang administration ng ating Pangulo, President Bongbong Marcos Jr., can do what he can to help our farmers, especially sa mga rice-producing areas. So after we groundbreak sa Lala, the next thing that we did was to visit the provincial grains processing center sa Kapatagan. And they were very impressed. Ang sinabi ni NFA Administrator Lacson is that nakita niya yung brand ng makina at ang sinabi niya, this is the Mercedes of rice mills, made in Germany or something like that. This is something we received from the efforts of the national government, specifically PhilMec, that they gave to the province of Lanao del Norte. Ang problema or ang challenge ng probinsya is this is 5,000 kilos per hour ang capacity niya. So we will be able to mill up to times 8, 40,000 kilos a day. So medyong mahirap yan. And what we want to make sure is we don't have a white elephant na may magandang rice mill tayo tapos hindi siya gumagana in full capacity. So I asked NFA Administrator Lacson, baka we can work together that NFA with its big budget will procure palay tapos we will process it in the PGCP rice mill. So hopefully time will come, especially next year sa 2026, where the PGCP, Provincial Rice Mill, will be in full operation and maiiwasan namin yung need for our farmers to sell and to mill palay outside the provincial boundary ng lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte. So itong isang programa na ginagawa ng administration ko to help our farmers within the Kapatagan Rice Valley.